Pinarangalan ng Golden Icons Organization ang mga natatanging individual na nagpakita ng pambihirang pamumuno, makataong pagsiserbisyo at makabuluhang impluwensya sa bansa mula sa iba't ibang sektor. Kabilang sa mga 2025 VIP awardees ang mga prominenteng pangalan sa larangan ng broadcasting, diplomacy, governance, business at law. Isa sa mga pinarangalan dito, si ALC Group of Companies Chairman and CEO Boss D. Edgard A. Cabangon na ginawaran ng Asia's Icon of Impact in Business Leadership Award. Personal na tinanggap ang award ng mga anak ni Boss D. Edgard A. Cabangon na sina Eternal Gardens Operations Executive Danica Nicole Cabangon at Eternal Gardens Board of Director Antonio Carlos A.C. Cabangon. Ayon kay Sir A.C. Cabangon, kanilang pinasasalamatan ang ipinagkaloob na parangal sa kanilang ama ng Asia's Golden Icon Awards.
Good evening to you all. We are accepting this award on behalf of our father, D. Edgard A. Cabangon. And we would like to show our gratitude to the chairman, to the board of directors, to the management and staff of Asia's Golden Icon Awards for hosting this great event and for awarding our father with this very prestigious title. Maraming salamat po.
Payag ni AC, lubos nilang ipinagmamalaki si Boss D. Edgard A. Cabangon dahil sa kanyang naging impact sa larangan ng business leadership.
Oh yes, it's very important. My father works very hard and makes me very happy to see him recognized for all of his efforts and all of his achievements. This is just another milestone for him.
Sinabi naman ni Ma'am Danica Cabangon na patunay ito sa lakas at sipag na ibinuhos ng kanilang ama upang maipagpatuloy ang legasiya ni ALC Group of Companies founder, late Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Chua.
To our dad, this award of impact in business leadership is a reflection of the strength and hard work you've poured into everything that you do, all while carrying forward the legacy of your father, Ambassador Antonio L. Cabangon Chua, founder of the ALC Group of Companies. We are so proud of you. Once again, on our dad's behalf, thank you very much, and to God be the glory.
Inayag pa ni Danica na resulta ang award na ito sa pagsisikap at dedikasyon ni Boss Edgard para sa kumpanya.
On behalf of our father, thank you very much to Asia's Golden Icon Awards for awarding him with this very prestigious award, because us in the company, we notice how hard he works, not just for his family but also for the entire ALC Group of Companies. So that is no easy feat and we are very proud of him.
Samantala, ipinayag naman ni Golden Icons Award founder Dr. Ronel Ibanez na kanilang iginawad ang parangal sa mga individual na may malaking naiambag sa lipunan.
Ang Asia's Golden Icon Awards, ito po ay pagdiriwang sa mga natatanging individual na may mahalagang ambag sa ating lipunan. Kami po sa Executive Board ay masaya dahil sa araw na ito, kami po ay makakapagbigay at makakapagpresenta sa ating crowd ng mga outstanding individuals na tunay nga na pwede nating pagkuhanan ng inspirasyon.
Tiwala si Ibanez na magsisilbing inspirasyon ang award upang masigit pang mapahusay ang pagsiserbisyo at pamumuno ng mga awardee para sa nation building. Kabilang din sa mga binigyang pagkilala ang mga diplomat mula sa mga bansang Indonesia, Japan, Romania at European Union o EU. Ito si Patrol 17 Chapel Peleño. Para sa impilang may todo lakas, DWIZ, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.